In our biology classes, we started a project in collaboration with the Geoma. It's called Virtues. Our topic is how many different types of factors have influence on life in our oceans. Factors such as light, salinity, and the use of antifouling. We took a closer look on what data you can gather with the Virtues racks. As you can see at the other group's topics, there's many data you can gather, for example, the effects of light, depth, salinity, and the use of antifouling. On the basis of these Virtues racks, you can find out every factor that makes up and has an effect on an ecosystem. Although, you should make sure to only change one factor at a time, so you can find out which factor has which effect. In our experiment, we take a look at the question if the distance between the disks has any effect on the vegetation cover on those disks. Our hypothesis says that there will be no effect on the vegetation cover at all. So to test our hypothesis, we hung up 3 different little racks where the distance between the disks variated. We also needed to make sure that all of the 3 racks were hung at the same depth, so all of them are under the same condition. Our solution to that problem was a clothes hanger. Now every rack hangs at the same position. While rack building, we chose to differ from the normal form of building a rack. Because we made this experiment as an example, we adapted the form of our rack to it. Instead of the standard 5 disks, we just had 2 disks on our 3 racks and changed the distance between the disks between those 3 racks.